Here's everything in the daylight.
That black truck.
All right.
Crank it left.
Should be good. Swamp cooler's going. Hood is popped. Look at that. El Coyote. You get to work.
Oh, my ball.
Casualty number 1.
Oh man.
And then we had bolts under here too.
Reach that one?
Going well, boys. Going slow. Up.
There goes that. Tie this up.
All the harnesses and whatnot.
Yeah, it's kind of the same as mine, but yeah, I was just leaving this side on though. May help so you don't twist it in case you're gonna post these. Go back, forward.
You're getting close. Nice.
Awesome. What do we think? Do one side? Should we get fenders off, bumper off, get the whole front end off?
I want to do that. Okay. Boom, baby. Out with the old.
In with the no.
In with the none. Okay.
Not yet. Making way. Bumper off next.
Completely different, bro. This is crazy. What the heck?
We're gonna pull this fender off to match this side. Boom. Ooh, still got the front lip. Keep that on there with the pre-runner bumper.
This crap looks chintzy.
Nice.
Beautiful.
to the next. Grab that. Bring it down gently. That was pretty gently, I guess. So watch the axle, because the axle's gonna do its thing.
One eternity later.
Yeah.
Stop it. Get some help.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Man, fuck that.
Yeah.
Shit fell on my other toe, bro.
Did it?
Alright guys, as you just saw, we dropped the whole lower control arm, upright, and shock on my foot. Yeah. But now it's out, so that battle is won. We're on to the next. Getting the upper control arm pulled out of there right now. And then don't worry, we gotta do a whole nother side. I don't even know, bro. I'm so lost right now. I'm just trying to survive. Blake knows what's going on. Look at that big old beefy upper control arm.
Nose on Raptor. Coco.
What? Oh,
Where did we just pull that off?
no, the other one's still on though, so. First look.
It is on there. Look at that. These both go from inside out. So that one is yours. Yours will go this way. Bring it in close. Look at all that travel, bro. You were nowhere near touching the ground.
Well, we were also having shock.
No, that doesn't really matter.
Oh, that's true. Huh? It was connected here.
Yeah, that's nuts, bro. Alright, we're putting these ones in.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Now, lower control arm is in. Spindle is connected. Bend that way. We're going to tighten those up, throw the shock in, put the brakes on, button everything up. Holy cow.
Pretty much wrapped up on the front suspension.
Suspension is good.
It's on. And this side, there you go. Anyways, that's done. Now we're going to throw the wheels back on. Got a nice little stock wheels are going back on. 20s.
Going on. Rear shocks going on.
We're going to call it the Street Runner Pre-Runner.
Alright.
Okay. Show you guys what's on the truck. Get a few cinematic clips for you. And then we're going to throw the wheels back on. Eventually.
Should we show them what you're trying to be like? Come with me.
We're going off-roading. This is the Gen 1 Raptor. Check it out. Through the bed bypasses. What are those? Trios?
Trios.
Up front, baby.
SEC mid-travel, aka
Travel. If you follow us on Instagram, you've definitely seen this truck. And it's awesome. We love it. Blake's truck. His
Alright.
baby. I guess.
40s, bedsides, spring under for the rear. Follow along if you want to see more of this.
Yeah, it's just gonna get better from here on out, so.
Big Raptor, mini Raptor coming along.
Yeah.
This truck is torn to bits, bro.
Fun stuff. Look at that travel, boys.
Nuts. For a little tiny truck like that. Alright. It's only on this.
Look at that. Street runner, pre-runner, baby.
Everything clears.
Everything clears. We ain't got fenders on for you. Yeah, everything clears.
Well, I mean, if these wheels might hit the... Look at how
Uh-oh.
close you are to the control arm. Doesn't look very different, other than the suspension. The big change is yet to come. Get the tires on there, wheels and tires, all the fiberglass, frame cut bumpers.
How you pop your hood right here, boys.
Yeah. We up the ground yet?
Oh, you are getting up there, bro. You might be good now. Oh,
We'll put that brake on.
that was sketchy. Reflexes, brother.
I got them. Might as well use them.
Blake is officially that guy. My boy was
On the hill, we probably should have just put it on flat.
blood. We probably should have just parked it on the flat, but
I was dedicated.
sometimes you just have to prove to yourself that you can do it.
Is it taller?
Yeah. Raptor suspension is officially on the single cab F1. Definitely needs some fine tuning and to be put back together. Everything still needs to be done, but huge progress today. This is awesome. Honestly, I'm stoked. That camera doesn't seem very level, does it? Thanks for watching. We finished up today. We got suspension on the front done, suspension on the rear. That includes the uppers, lowers, uprights, shocks.
No axles.
No axles.
Up next,
Fiberglass. We have fiberglass. As you can see, we've got a lot of it. So, all new fiberglass for the F-150. Bedsides, fenders, front valence. We have bedsides going on Blue Chew, Raptor.
Yep.
So that's going to be fun. We've got a lot of work ahead of us.
Moving forward, in the next episode, you'll be seeing fiberglass going on. We're excited, guys. Stay tuned for the next one.
Thanks for watching.
See you.
Later.